So ladies and gentlemen, up until this point, we've talked a lot about trading. Now it's time for us to start to learn how to trade. And that starts with technical analysis. 95% of the trading decisions that we're going to make are based purely on technical analysis. So what is technical analysis? It's actually the study of charts and the tools that we put in those charts to help us make our trading decisions. If we were longer-term traders or investors even, people who hold on to stocks for a long period of time, then we would be interested in fundamental analysis, which is who's the CEO of a company? What are the earnings going to be? For us as day traders, none of that matters to us. We're looking to capture short-term moves where we make our profits on our trades, and it's based on where a stock is trading right now. So let's look at an example of a candlestick chart. Here we see a chart of a stock. It doesn't really matter what stock it is. It's not important. Each one of these little red and green lines that you see here is a candlestick. Each one of them, based on a 5-minute chart that we're looking at, represents 5 minutes of time. When you see a green candlestick, that means the stock was going up during that 5 minutes. And when you see a red candlestick, that means the stock was going down during that 5 minutes. For us, as far as we're concerned, with reading charts, the only thing we care about is where the chart is right now. And it's our job to figure out what this stock is going to do next. And that's how we make our trades, and that's how we make our profits when we're looking at a chart. So let's move on to the next lesson.